You're watching Arab Health TV, and now we're shifting our focus towards the pharmaceutical sector. And we're very kindly joined by Dr. Nail Qudsi, who is a co-CEO of NCH, the New Country Healthcare. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you. It's good to see you again.
It's a pleasure indeed. Speaking about the pharmaceutical sector of the UAE, how does New Country Healthcare contribute towards its growth?
So first and foremost, I actually want to congratulate Arab Hub for 50 years of anniversary. This actually coincides with 34 years of NCH in the UAE. And to better answer your question, we've aligned our initiatives and strategies to be very well aligned with the UAE government vision. And this vision is to make pharmaceuticals more accessible and affordable to the population, with no compromise, of course, in quality. And in doing so, in the last 5 years, what we've done is we've fostered and developed partnerships with key leading pharmaceutical manufacturers, such as Paul Pharma, Gene Pharm, Inventia, and many more. And these strategic partnerships are going to help us to actually become an important player in this generic market in the UAE. And we look to more than double our total income or total business in the NCH to be from pharmaceuticals.
Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
Staying at the New Country Healthcare Pavilion, we're very kindly joined by their co-CEO, Noor Qudsi. If I can get some thoughts on the expansion and the strategy for expanding your product portfolio, given the prominence and growth and demand for wellness.
Abdul Karim, it's great to see you again, and thank you for having us and hosting us. When it comes to the strategies that we adopt to meet the diverse needs of our consumers is twofold. The first one is a horizontal expansion within the brands that we carry. So for example, exploring functional mushrooms or adaptogens. The other approach is exploring new verticals or categories. One thing that we're very proud of at NCH is pioneering new verticals and establishing those verticals. And the way we do so is by investing in resources and mostly in education. So for example, we were the first one to launch functional foods back in 2005. I believe it's about 2005, a long time ago. We were also the first ones to establish collagen in the UAE as a vertical, as a category, with NeoCell, digestive enzymes with Enzymedica. And I'm proud to say that we've also recently launched CBD topical products with CBD FX. We were the first company to officially register or commercialize the products here in the UAE. Now, for this year, I'm very proud to say that we're launching with Trace a product on health and wellness and well-being in general, with the objective of remineralizing the UAE and the Middle East. And you're going to be hearing more about this soon.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank
At
you.
the New Country Health Pavilion, one thing that's certainly making the buzz and the noise is the Trace products. And we're very kindly joined by the CEO of Trace. Thank you very much for joining us, Matthew Kiltz.
Yes. Nice to meet you and nice to be here with you at the Arab Health Show. A great experience for us. And we're excited to be in Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates, to launch our products with New Country because we feel they're the best distributor around, so that's why we're here. So
Brilliant. If you can elaborate a little bit more about Trace as a product, pure magnesium as well, if you can give us some more details about why this is going to be a big buzz in the UAE.
So we get our minerals from the Great Salt Lake in Utah, which is kind of like an inland Dead Sea, kind of like the Dead Sea, but except it's a lot bigger. We actually have evaporation ponds where we concentrate the magnesium down until it's almost to a crystal form. It's a liquid, but it's almost at the point where it could be a crystal. And so it's the highest and purest magnesium that you can receive in the world, and it's from Utah's Great Salt Lake, so it's very natural, organic. Everything about the product is very pristine and very clean and very pure. And it's most assimilable because if you take a crystal and you break it back down in water, it turns back into salt, right? So basically we get to that point where it's still liquid, it's bioavailable, it gets into the body's blood system very quickly, and you notice a difference right away. So it's been a great journey that we've made over the years. We've got a great pond system that we have in Utah, and we can provide you pictures of that as well too. But we're really excited to be here and share this throughout the world. We're in over 62 countries, and now with new country, we'll be in several more countries. So we're excited about that.
All the very best, and thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.